Hey everybody, I'm going to make a snack today and I've already gotten started, so I want to show you what I've done. So let's let you have a look. What I'm making today is a olive tapenade and tomato boats. Okay, so I have my olives, black olives, green olives, some Kalamata olives, and I've already gone ahead and started the chopping process because you want to get it to a fine chop, a mince type of a size. And just to show you how I deal with the olives and the pits, I use a spoon, the back of a spoon, and I just slide it down the back of the olive. And this is how I remove the pit. Not all of them have pits. The green ones usually do, but you can always find a drawer. And that's it. And then I spend the next 5 minutes doing this. Mixing them all up, get it to a fine chop, mince. Just like that. Okay? Then I take it, put it right in my bowl. Obviously, you want to wash your hands well before you do this. Okay? So we have our chopped olives there. And, of course, a personal favorite, some green onion. And, of course, I've already done the pesticide wash, so they're ready to go. And since the white part of the onion is a stronger flavor, more pungent, I like to use that inside the olives to mix with the olives, and use the greener part for the garnish. And I also have a couple plum tomatoes that I'm going to use for my tomato boats. All right, we're in business. So I take this part and I add that. And this is one of those items that gets better the longer it sits. The onion gets into the olive gets into the onion. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay? So once I have that done, I put that to the side and get my tomatoes ready. So I have 2 lovely plum tomatoes here. And I'll show you 2 different ways that you can do it. Let's get a plate. Actually, let's put it over here. And you can always do the circles like these. Or you can do the boat. Now this is how I do it. Take my spoon, clean off the olives, and I take the tomato and I just go right along the inside. Right along the seed pods. You see it right there? You can stick your spoon right in there and scoop it out. There you go. Just a little bit more. There we are. And there it is. And then repeat. Just follow along the outside of the seed pods. And then scoop it on out. Max, I'm making a video. Now, because the flavor is so mild of the tomatoes, and we're not going to waste anything, we're going to chop this up. I'm going to incorporate that right with the olives. It's a nice mild flavor. It's refreshing. So it'll balance out that saltiness from the olives. And it contributes nice color. So. And from here, you just fill the boat. Scoop it right on there. Or if you like, you can just put a little bit on top. Okay? And then it's a pretty garnish. And put a little green onion on top. There we go. So you can do it either way, on top, or you can make the little boats. And there you are, olive tapenade tomato boats. Give it a try. I hope you enjoy it. Be well.